Hello, my name is Samuel, and we're building a yield bearing asset platform. Actually, we're building the most profitable yield bearing asset platform on core blockchain. That's our goal, and that's what we're already building. We've laid the foundation. I want to show you what we currently have. All right, so we're here to tokenize future returns, right? So this platform, what it does is it tokenize your yield. Let's say for example, you have core asset and you stake it, guaranteed 8.5% a year. That 8.5% will give you the opportunity to even use that 8.5% to trade by tokenizing it. That's the system. All right, so let me show you what we have right now. So the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Everything is zero. When I connect my wallet, you see my balance. I've already been doing a lot of transactions here. So okay, let's go. Cool. Let's connect. Awesome. Now we see what we have. Total value, my portfolio, strategies one. This is my current claim. I've claimed just now, right? Let's look at the market and make some transactions. Okay, so let's perform some trades. All right, so this is what we currently have right now. We have the ability to stake, ability to wrap, and this is how um, the top platforms like this operate, right? A lot of things that we're trying to do in terms of the UI, but we have functionality like the foundation going, right? So let's stake. So just do stake. This is a very interesting platform that I believe can be connected. It's a protocol kind of environment, but it can be connected to the average person. That's our goal. We're not just stopping at the web. We're going to create it in such a way that you can bring in your core and your BTC and your liquid BTC, and you get to play and trade without the fear of losing your your yield. Secure, that's secure, but this creates you the opportunity to now create a yield token that you can now use to trade and do other things. You know, so we see claim. So you see that if successful processing, it will reduce from 2 to 1, and this would increase to 6. Okay, so okay, I think that has. Oh, let me see. I think that has already happened already. Let's try it again. Let's see. Let's confirm. I want to know if that has happened. Okay, let me see. Yeah, yeah, it just happened now. So it was a bit slow. All right, so let's wrap. Let's wrap. Um, so wrapping, basically wrapping your staked token, um, in a standardized token, so that we can definitely mint PT and PY, right? So that's the whole idea. So your stake token is still intact. We're just creating your ability to be able to use what you have as your bearing, your yield, to be able to use to trade. All right, so wrapping is going on. If it's successful, this would decrease by 100. This would increase by 100, right? So we have the way this platform makes money. It charges transaction fees and some other fees like that. So okay, so it takes a while to update the front end. So right now, that notification tells us that it's already successful on the blockchain. So it's going to take a while for it to show on the dashboard as we see right now. Right. So there's a lot of functions now. So we see it as updated. Okay, let's go ahead to mint or split, right? So we split. So this would definitely, so 1SY is equals to 1PT plus YT. That's the system. So this, we also have this first before we had that. All right. Yeah, is it correct? Absolutely. So this is successful now, and we'll see that you get to update just very soon. So we get 100 here and 100 here. So this should be like, let's see the update. So this is a very interesting platform that while we're building it, opened my eyes to a lot of things that can actually beat inflation, because it's one of the challenges I face as an average person here in Lagos, Nigeria, where I am. And I believe this is the same for every other person everywhere around the world. I believe everybody will want to use this platform once they see what it can do, which is the reason why we're creating a team and looking for the support to be able to push this product beyond where it is. It's a product that can work. We just need more auditing. Once we audit the contract, right now we have the basic foundation to be able to go to the market. Once you audit the contract, you can go there and basically um, and put the product out there, and people can start making trading and making funds from their yield. It's an amazing idea. So we're tokenizing the yield. Okay, I don't know why it's taking time. I think for some reason network is a bit slow. So let's just see if I don't do too much. I just approve that one. Okay. So you should load very soon. It's taking a while because I think my network is taking a while. It's gonna load. Should refresh. Let's just refresh. Should have loaded by now. Yep, I did it 2 times. Mistake. So see, it funded 2 times. I think there was an issue with the network, right? So we've then we can go ahead and unwrap. We can unwrap. We can unstake. But because of time, I'll just go ahead to start to claim. So let's claim a little bit of the tokens that we just gathered. 0.03. Let's claim this. Um, for some reason the testnet we're using is a bit as a lot of as sometimes it lags, right? So but trying as much as possible to audit our content and get it to production within the 2 weeks frame, as stated in the rules. So let's see. So we have the education. So we have clean my yield, so it has gone to zero, right? So if I go ahead and get this staked coin on my wallet, you'll see that I have that yield. So we have education where you get to learn more about the platform. So this is basically taking the user to understand how the flow works because it's something that's a bit complex, right? You don't get to understand it on the first try. You need to be familiar with the crypto space to be able to operate with it. So this is what we have currently. We have a lot of um, functionalities that we're working on and we're putting out there, the governance functionality, and we're making everything functional. Hopefully, we're working night and day to get the product out there, not just get it out there, but get a very standard product that will actually work. And that's why we need, we're trying to get people to even use the product as soon as possible. And this is what we have currently. Thank you.